Hello, and welcome to the story of, the story of
The Random Bird by
me.
It was about a bird that just hibernates around the evening.
Like, seriously, that's all he does. Just hibernate. Even in the summer.
Even at nighttime, he hangs out in the summer. No, not the winter. Actually, yes, the winter, summer, spring, fall, you name it. He just keeps on hibernating.
He has to stop hibernating. I am dead serious. I am so tired of it hibernating at all. Because all he does is hibernate. It's like,
Hey, can you get out? Can you get out of your place? I think he's dead.
and he's like,
Oh, it's okay, I'm just hibernating. He wouldn't even go out to eat.
he wouldn't eat.
He wouldn't even go out to eat. He's so stupid.
No, it's okay, it's alright. I'm just gonna get out already for the rest of my life.
You are stupid.